Hello everyone, today I'm gonna start a new series. First, I'm gonna start with modeling and then texturing and then lighting and then lastly rendering. I found a reference image like this on the internet, so I really like the image. We will try to achieve to this image. Okay, to do that, first of all, let's create a plane to get the reference image to our scene. First, I need to learn the exact dimensions of this image 2451. 2451. It will be like this 2451, and other one is 1370. 1370. Okay. Maybe we need to change this like that. Okay, perfect. I open the material editor right now, so after that I'll apply this material to this plane like this, and let's import the texture, the image into the scene, and voila. Okay, so let's turn this 90 degrees. Okay, let's go to the front view. Now we need to make some adjustments. First of all, let's go to the top view and move it to the back, and then again to the front view. So I think this door's height must be something like 220. So let's create a door like this, 220, maybe 250. I'm not sure. Let's measure this height. Okay, let's do this 200. Okay, I think let's measure this guy over here. It's 220 again. Okay, I think our dimensions quite big, so let's reduce the scale like 95 maybe, and let's reduce the scale again. Okay, it's still big, so let's make this 90, 90, 90, and let's measure again, and one more, just a little bit, 85. Let's measure it again. Okay, almost 190, and this woman. Okay, perfect. Now let's start creating this door again. Something like, yeah, perfect. Okay, let's do it 220 and 80. Okay, let's create one more rectangle, but it must be instance. Okay, that's nice. And convert this to editable spline and choose the spline and make 10 centimeter. Maybe 10 is too much. Let's make this 7 and add a texture to it, like 5 centimeter maybe. Okay, cool. Let's duplicate these double doors again. And one more time. Okay. I think these last double doors or windows must be smaller than now. Let's make them unique now and make this, yeah, that will be better. Okay, okay, perfect. Now we need to create this shape. To do that, let's create a rectangle again. And make length, I don't know, 200. And move it to the 100. Okay. Maybe convert this to editable spline again. And move up to 10 centimeters like this. Okay. Let's select all the vertices and make them corner, and let's make the fillet like 1 to 5. Perfect. Okay. I don't remember this. Okay, it's 7 centimeters. Let's make this 7 centimeters again and give it extrude like 5 centimeters. Perfect. Okay. Now let's create, maybe hide the grids and make these two window frames like this. Make them corner, extrude it. We copy one more time like this. It looks nice, and let's copy this again, but this time it will be not instance because we are going to change the height of this frame. Okay, and copy it again. Okay, perfect. Let's copy this too and mirror it on the x-axis and move like this. Perfect. Okay, if we check the door from here, it looks fantastic. Let's make this interpolation adaptive. As you can see, it is more smooth now. So maybe let's reduce this to 4 and 4 again. 4, 4 and 4. Perfect. Okay. Let's create the window glass right now. I'm simply create a plane and we'll add a shell modifier to it. For this, I'll simply copy this one and I isolate it, delete this one, extrude like 1 centimeter. Perfect. Let's select these two and make them light blue. Okay. Okay. I think there is a text here. It says archway. Okay, let's create this text first. Where is it? Okay, let's create it here. Yeah. Move it to the like this. Okay. Let's reduce the size and write archway. Perfect. Now we will make some kerning, like maybe 10 centimeter, maybe 12. Yeah, perfect. And let's align this to here and move it to here like this. And size maybe must be 23. It is now. Yeah, perfect. Maybe 10.5. Okay, let's align this on x-axis and make 1 centimeter. Left and align it to the like this. Yeah, it looks really great. Let's check it again. Yeah, it looks great. Okay guys, this will be the first part of the series. If you enjoyed the video, please give a like, and I'm always waiting your comments in the comment section below. See you in the part 2.